International Food Products Corporation is dedicated to supplying quality ingredients and manufacturing custom formulations to help your business thrive. We focus on great customer service, being experts in our field, and delivering first-class operations. Located in St. Louis, Missouri, our Aviator facility is a premium 230,000 square foot manufacturing, storage, and distribution center. We take pride in our high level of cleanliness and regulatory adherence, and our ingredients are strictly controlled for allergens. Bottom line, we start with the best to give you the best. The Aviator facility holds nearly 18,000 pallets. A vertical stacking system virtually eliminates allergen cross-contamination. Temperature-controlled storage areas, as well as delivery trucks, ensure your products arrive in premium condition. From receiving to storing to shipping, International Food Products Corporation is a strong link in your supply chain. On time and on budget, no order is too big or too small. The Aviator facility has premier liquid and dry blending and packing rooms, supported by state-of-the-art labs to ensure we get your products right. When you need a custom blend or manufactured product, our ingredient experts work with you to develop solutions that meet your business needs. Quality control testing and validation takes place on-site in our Aviator facility, which maximizes time and efficiency. Every ingredient we source, every blend we create, is tested for quality assurance during both intake and release. It's these people and this facility that makes International Food Products Corporation stand out. Day in and day out, we deliver the best to our customers. International Food Products Corporation, your trusted ingredient advisors.